Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily change your bank account in TurboTax for 2025. If you've recently switched banks or just want to update your payment info, I'll guide you step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have it updated in no time. Let's dive in. Access TurboTax first, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site to keep your information safe. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner. Click it and enter your login credentials. Navigate to your federal tax section. After logging in, you'll land on the homepage. Click on the federal option. This will bring up all your federal tax filing options. From here, we'll access the details where you can manage your payment information. Access filing details next. Go to the file section. This is where TurboTax lets you manage processing and payment details. Look for the option that says your tax payment info. That's where we'll update your bank account. Update payment info. Click your tax payment info and then choose direct debit from my bank account. This allows TurboTax to process your refund or payments directly from your new bank account automatically. Confirm and enter details, click continue and then click continue again to activate the direct debit option. Now, carefully enter your new bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Double check everything. Mistyped numbers can delay payments or refunds. Once verified, save your changes. And that's it. Your bank account is now updated in TurboTax and you're all set for 2025 filings. It's a quick process, but doing it correctly ensures your refunds or payments go smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future TurboTax tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.